In this video, I'll show you how to buy USDC on Binance. It's going to be a step-by-step guide, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you. This video is only for educational purpose only. Open your Binance. The first step is for you to be able to have a cryptocurrency on your Binance. You can have Solana, you can have Ethereum, you can have Bitcoin. So any cryptocurrency you have, you can be able to use it to buy USDC on Binance. Let me show you what you need to do. Click on this trade, click on this spot, click on the convert. So if you want to buy USDC, let's say if you have some Solana on your Binance, or let's say in your Phantom wallet, you can be able to send it from a Phantom wallet to your Binance. Then you come on here and type in USDC. So you can come on here, choose the amount of USDC you want to buy. If you want to buy, let me say 1,000, it's going to come on here and preview. So, okay, if you want to buy 100, you need 0.5 SOL to be able to get 100 USDC. So this is how you can do this. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.